Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to install free WordPress theme and import demo data. It's one of the easiest tutorial if you follow every instruction. And if you are a beginner on WordPress, I think this tutorial will help you out to build your website very professionally. So let's get started. First of all, on the left side of the screen, you will see that we have so many options over here, menu, and here you will find plugins also. You need to install two plugins. First, go over here plugins and click on add new plugin. It will pop up something like this, and you need to search on the top right corner of the search bar Elementor. Once you search Elementor, you will end up over here. Here you can see the first link over here, Elementor website builder, more than just a page builder. This plugin will help me out to create and edit my website. That's why we are installing this one. First of all, install this one, and after that search on the right side Astra, as you can see. And the first one, the first link you will see starter templates, Elementor WordPress, and Beaver Builder templates. You need to install this from over here and click on activate. Once you do this, you need to go back to your dashboard. Once you go back to your dashboard, and on the left side you will have to find appearance. Once you scroll down, you will see the appearance option over here, and then hover over it and click on themes or go for starter templates right away. Just click on starter templates because this is the plugin which we have downloaded, right? So click on this one. You will end up over here. Here you will see that you have two options over here, AI website builder or classic starter templates. Most of the people go for this one because the starter templates are enough to create your own website for as a beginner, or even if you're a professional, you might go for this because you will see how many dozens of themes are there which you can choose from. But click on build with templates, and this is where you will see that which builder we are going to use. And we just installed the Elementor, so we are going to click on this one, and here you can see all the themes are available over here, and make sure there are some free and there are some premium also. You need to pay for those themes, but there are free themes which are very useful in my opinion. The first one, you can see that we have language tutors. Obviously these are pre-made templates. You can use it for your own purpose, and even you can edit them, right? That's why we installed Elementor. And we have outdoor adventure over here, love nature over here, and on the top you will see that we have industries of different kind of website building. As you can see, e-commerce, community, personal sites, there are a lot of them also available over here. But for this tutorial, I'm going with this one, outdoor adventure. You can even click and preview it on the right side, and on the left side you can even upload your logo right away on the suggestion dimension option over here. As you can see, once you upload this will end up over here, so just remember that. Or if you don't want to upload it, you can do that later on also. So there is no problem about that. As you can see over here, you can upload it later. I'm going to skip and continue. Here you can choose your fonts and colors of the website, and I'm going with the default colors, but you can even go with your own theme if you want. There are multiple options over here, you can choose it, but I'm going with the default options, and we have change fonts over here. Click on continue. After that, you can name this like if you want to. Are you building a website for someone, or there are some options they are asking for you? But if you don't want to answer, just click on submit and website. This might take some few minutes, so give some time. And after that, you will see that it has been created. And here you can see that congratulations, your website is ready, and it took 50 seconds to build. So it depends on your service also how fast it is. So that's why it works very quickly for me. And after that, just click on view your website. It will open up your website, and just wait for a while, and you will see that we will have our demo content over here, and the website is ready to use. And you can go on different pages also, like this is the home page obviously, and you can go like on about page also, and the service page also. You can see that in just few minutes we have created a website. And as you can see, if you scroll down, this is a lot of a free template has given to us, and the demo content is also available over here. But now you would ask that how we can edit this, right? So on the top you will see that we have edit with Elementor, which we installed, right? Obviously you need to go on the specific page you want to edit. Click on contact, and on the top you will see edit with Elementor. Then click on edit with Elementor if you want to edit contact us page. Or you can do one more thing, that go back to your WordPress admin. Once you end up over here, click on pages, and here you will see all the pages you have for your website. Here we have about, contact, home, projects and services. So you can go either one of them and just click on, like if I want to edit contact or about us page, I just click on edit with Elementor. Once you click on edit with Elementor, it would seem something like this loading up, and here we are. Here you can see that we have every single thing related to our website, and you can even add more content from over here. So if you want to edit this one, obviously just click on it. On the left side you will see the whole property related to this. If you want to change this background, you can also do that. So there's a lot of stuff which you can do from over here. So for this tutorial, I'm going to show you, like if I want to write something else over here. And after that, let's just say you want to add this one, right? So what you can do, just click on update from over here. And once it's updated, you can go back and you can see it's simply updated right away. This is very quick. In just few seconds, you can easily update your website also. And you can see that how quickly I just did. And if you want to edit more content from over here, you can also do that. If you want to change this image, you can also do it. Just click on this, and on the left side, just click on choose image. Here you can insert your media from your computer, and after that you can upload it, and you can even find free images also from over here if you want to, as you can see over here. So what if I want to insert this image, right? Save and insert, and as you can see, this is one of the best way to do it. And what you want to do next, just click on update. So after that it will be updated over here. So you can edit every single page right like this, and even if you want to add more content over here, you can also do it. So just click on this plus option, and how you want it, like on the right side you want two sections over here or two sections like this. So you get the idea how the structure you want to add. So I'm going with this one, and you can add stuff over here on the left side, like if you want to add a heading over here, or if you want to add a image over here, if you want to add an video over here, you can also do that. There's a lot of stuff you can do it. If you want to add, call to action button over here, you can also do it. So this is one of the best tutorial and best way to edit your website, in my opinion. To install free WordPress theme and import demo data, it's one of the best way to create your own website, and this is how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.